Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk about oil, natural gas, silver, and US stock markets. For those new viewers, I am very bullish on oil long term, natural gas, and gold and silver. Generally, the commodities, I'm very bullish, right? And I'm also bullish on Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq. I'm kind of skeptical. So that's my long-term view. However, there was a risk of correction in all of this market for the next, starting from October to November to 2 to 3 months, right? So that means up into December or January next year. So that was my initial scenario. But so far, the correction has been very shallow, right? I was expecting deeper corrections. So, for example, oil. So this is the strong support, right? This black line. This is a break line support, right? And also we have this triangle, right? Support. In fact, it's broken, but still held by this broke line, right? The black line support. There was a risk of this line could be broken in November. Right? And natural gas, it's kind of messy. Let me here, right? There is this bearish butterfly, right? On daily, but so far the market has been very strong, right? It didn't correct that much. Same with the silver, right? Silver has this huge bearish butterfly. In October, it tried to correct a little bit, but November it dramatically reversed, right? In fact, it made a new high in future. So 54.44 is this month's high, and last month's high was 53.75, right? Similar to equity markets, right? There's this bearish pattern, X, A, B, C, D, right? Here, and S&P also has it, and Nasdaq also has it too, right? This bearish crab-like pattern. But nothing, so far the correction has been very shallow. All of these, right? So this tells me all the bearish signs are either ignored or muted by the market. It means to me a sign of very strong, extremely strong market. We still have some time left until end of January. That's my base scenario, right? But early signs tells me so far no crash is coming in any of this market. So oil no crash, natural gas no crash, silver no crash, and then US stock market no crash. Probably consolidation at best, right? And also, even short term, these markets are bottoming. Oil, natural gas, from time wise, right? From cycle wise, short term cycle bottom is coming up soon. So there's a risk of even upside, right? Even in the near future, right? So in fact, silver, right? Yesterday it went up a lot, right? And it's about to break out. Right? And more importantly, in this kind of market, there's a risk of slingshot up move, right? For the long-term trading. So despite there are bearish signs still there, right? It makes sense to me, at least, to buy oil, gas, and silver here, right? So that's why I bought these yesterday. So the way I play this market is for oil and gas, I'm playing with CVE and DVN, and silver, HL, and CD, but primarily HL, right? So yesterday I bought HL 1530, right? And CVE 1740 and Devon 3615. Because the cycle is down until end of January for this market in general, there's still risk of falling, but if it falls, I'm gonna buy more. So in this kind of market, meaning extremely strong market, the best strategy is just plain vanilla plain strategy, right? Just buy, right? Just buy and hold, and then when it falls, to buy the dip, right? And importantly, hold it long. Like don't sell too early. That's my strategy, right? So if it falls more, right? If the price falls more for these markets, I'm gonna buy more until end of January, and I'm gonna finish buying end of January, and I'm not gonna buy more after that, at least for now, right? And in this kind of market, time is on my side because now I'm back to trend following trading, right? November, I was kind of counter trend. I did counter trend trading and it wasn't that successful, right? So now I'm back to trend following trading. So yeah, time is on my side now. Okay, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.